Where's the water coming in?
It's in the back, right? Are you taking in water anywhere?
Oh, what you got, Martín?
Just a little cutie.
Looks a lot bigger with his wide angle lens. What's the vibe this morning?
Oh man, we're gonna get so wet.
Hey, it worked!
3 men and a little boat.
Oh, perfect. You do that.
3 men in a little boat. Nobody out here but us triathletes.
Yep. 3 athletes, triathletes.
3 athletes. Have a good swim. We borrowed our a boat from I guess you could call this a boat, from our friend Steve. We're gonna go see how far we can push it. We're going spearfishing in Long Beach off the break wall is the idea, which we've never done. It's our first time doing it, so what's the worst that could happen? Sorry, Steve.
Just run over some.
Yeah, we drowned.
I wonder if you can really tell how small this boat is. There you go. That's how small the boat is. 8 feet, Steve. All you could afford.
I know.
Come on. Could have gone for like the 12-footer. We are like 3 inches from the surface of the water.
Yeah, low pro. You want me to sit here? Whoa.
Fellow jet skier. His jet ski is probably twice the size of our boat.
Unfriendly though.
Like
Probably doesn't have any friends on his boat. And any one thing goes wrong, we're swimming home.
Max load 400 kilograms. What is that? What do we have?
I'm an American.
Goes Martín!
Guys, we're ready to swim.
Filling up with a little bit of water.
Hey, should you get in the front if we're too back heavy?
Where's the water coming in?
In the back, right behind you.
Oh.
It's just coming over the back.
Yeah, scoot forward, Vern.
Hey,
Those poles.
hold this.
Let me scoot over.
Well, the more water we take, the harder it's gonna be to. Is there a show for this kind of excursion? Like Naked and Afraid?
Yeah.
I think this is just stupid and afraid.
This is getting toward the level of not good.
All right, let's start scooping.
Yeah. I'm sorry, Steve.
We got really scared. We were taking on a lot of water, so we splashed it out. And now we're on the oil island of Long Beach.
We catch some oil fish.
Well, island's a little closer than the break wall, so we diverted.
Okay, be careful with your feet.
No urchins.
Are you guys getting out too?
Yeah.
I think we'll all just get dressed on the rock.
Yeah.
We don't really have an anchor, so we're gonna use a string.
Kind of around each other. Yeah.
Hey, that's a juicy one.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yay! What do you call him?
Call them Michael and Jordan.
Little baby guys.
We just we're trying to figure out how to not drown. We had a successful trip, and we're just trying to make it home safe to our beers.
You mean our wives?
Wives. Our ice cold families.
Give it to me. What would you do differently?
Okay, if I had to do it all over again, I would get a different boat.